Welcome back, RoboMasters! As an educational robot, the RoboMaster EP can be used for programming. You can use Scratch, Python, or SDK to program the robot and explore extended functions. In this video, we will show you how to use the RoboMaster SDK. The robot can be connected via Wi-Fi, USB, UART, or a router. You can connect the robot by any of these four methods and then use the SDK function. After we've done that, we'll connect the robot via Wi-Fi, and then we'll program the robot to move along the x-axis and the y-axis to show you how to use the SDK function. For this video, we'll use a Windows PC. Use a computer that can be connected to Wi-Fi to build a Python 3 environment. After powering on the RoboMaster EP, slide the mode switch on the intelligent controller to the Wi-Fi mode. Now, open the available networks on your computer and choose the Wi-Fi of the robot, and then input the password if you need to. The robot will then be connected to the computer. After the robot is connected to the computer via Wi-Fi, we also need to create a TCP socket connecting the robot and computer so that they can communicate with each other. The robot provides multiple connection ports. I am going to show you how to connect the robot control command port to the computer. For this video, we'll be using Python. We can write a program to connect the robot's control command port to the computer and enable the SDK mode. After programming, save the file generated as rm_sdk.py. You can double-click to run the program, or you can open the command prompt by pressing the Windows key and R, and then typing CMD to open the command prompt. Then input Python rm_sdk.py to run your file. When the command prompt outputs connecting, that means the computer is trying to connect the robot. When the command prompt outputs connected, the computer has successfully connected to the robot. After the control command connection succeeds, the command prompt will output, "Please input SDK command," indicating that users can input commands. First, we need to make the robot enter SDK mode. Enter command in the command prompt, and then the command will be sent to the robot. When the command prompt sends OK, the robot enters SDK mode. After it's entered SDK mode, it can respond to other control commands. Input chassis move X 0.1, Y 0.2. Starting from the current position of the robot as the origin point, when the command prompt will say OK, the chassis will be automatically controlled to move along the x-axis by 0.1 meters and the y-axis by 0.2 meters. Are you ready? After the robot runs all the commands, we need to make it exit SDK mode so that the robot can perform other functions normally. Input quit to exit SDK mode. After exiting SDK mode, the SDK functions cannot be used. If you want to use those functions again, input command in the command prompt to re-enter SDK mode. Now you know how to use the SDK functions. Again, for more details, please refer to the RoboMaster Developer Guide.